Hi everyone, I'm Councillor Catherine McCaffer. I'm the Youth Champion for the Vale of Glamorgan Council and a Cabinet Member. I'm really excited to share some good news. I just wanted to say a big congratulations to those young people who've been volunteering with the Vale Youth Service. I know it must have been really difficult during the current pandemic and you've had to adapt to a new digital way of working, but I'm really proud of all the young people who've given up their time to ensure they represent young people and to make sure your voices are heard. Well done on achieving 50 hours, 100 hours or 200 hours of volunteering in a variety of different roles, including Penarth Youth Action, Lanswick Youth Council, Rights Ambassadors and the Youth Cabinet. The Youth Service and I just wanted to recognise your hard work, commitment and passion. Well done and keep volunteering. It's a really good thing for you to be doing and thank you so much for your participation. Take care.